Hello, welcome to the second video regarding payroll management using Tally ERP software. So here is the main interface. As in the last video we were dealing with ABCD hospital staff salary management. So we were left with, we will go to create, then we will see payroll master. We have created employee groups in the last video, also units, work, attendance, production type we also have created. Then we have created several pay heads. But here we will have to create one more pay head for purpose of including salary payable. So because we are not going to pay salary in cash in this current month, so we will be paying salary in next month, maybe on 5th or 5th of the next month. In some cases some companies pay on the 10th, but it is due from the last month, so we need to deal with salary payable account in this case. So here we will create a pay head for this purpose, salary payable. Okay, and this is not earning for employees. Pay head type, it is not applicable here, so we will click not applicable, and under the head of it is the liability of company, so it will come under current liabilities. Okay, then accept. Yes, so our salary payable pay head is also created now. Now we will move towards employee, entering the employee details. So we will move in our Excel sheet again. We can see Mr. Ali, admin head, is the first employee. Okay, so Mr. Ali is the admin head. It is and it will come under the employee group of administration, as we know. So employee salary details, yes. So here we will include the salary details. What was the basic salary? We will go back to the Excel sheet. 6,000 was the basic salary for Mr. Ali. So we will add 6,000. Then what was the house rent allowance for Mr. Ali? We will select it from here. It's 2,000 house rent allowance. So we will add 2,000 here. We are selecting these pay heads from the list of pay heads available on your right side of the screen. So now we will add traveling allowance. Traveling allowance was for Mr. Ali was 1,000. So here we will add 1,000, and in the last, its conveyance allowance, it was also 1,000. So we are done with entering the salary details for Mr. Ali in administration. So we will end the list here and we will click Control A. So all the salary details are saved. So it is employee number 1, designation was admin. I think it was admin head. Okay, all other details you can enter if available with you when you are doing real-time accounting. So here we will accept this. So Mr. Ali is now one employee is saved with us. We'll move towards the next employee, number 2, Mr. Rizwan, admin assistant. So for Mr. Rizwan, we need to put his name first. Okay, then we'll see for which employee group it will relate to. Administration. Okay, salary details, yes, we will enter the salary details here. Basic salary of Mr. Rizwan is 5,000. 5,000 is the basic salary for Mr. Rizwan. House rent allowance for Mr. Rizwan is 1,400. Then traveling allowance for Mr. Rizwan is 800, and then conveyance allowance for Mr. Rizwan is also 800. So here we are done with entering salary of Mr. Rizwan also. We will press Ctrl A and this information will be saved. Here we will import the employee number, this designation, admin assistant, all other details, and then we will press Ctrl A. The employee will be saved into the system. Now we will move towards our next employee, Rosie, receptionist. Okay, so here we will put Rosie, the employee. So it will come under the head administration as well. Salary details, yes. So we are going to enter the salary details of Mr. Rosie. 1200. 1200 is the basic salary. Then house rent allowance, we will enter it from here. House rent allowance you can see here for Mr. Rosie 800. Okay, then traveling allowance was 250, and conveyance allowance was also 250. Okay, in the place we are done with entering the details. We will go with save, which is by number 3. Designation was receptionist. All the details we will leave it as blank and Control A. So Mr. Rosie is also saved here into the system now. Now we will move to the medical staff, Mr. Abdullah, senior doctor. So Mr. Abdullah. Okay, what will be it will come under the different group, so it will come under medical staff group. Okay, anyway, salary says yes. We need to enter it. Basic salary was 60,000 for Mr. Abdullah. Then house rent allowance was 20,000 for Mr. Abdullah. Then traveling allowance was 10,000 for Mr. Abdullah, and conveyance allowance was 10,000 for Mr. Abdullah. So in the place here, Control A, information has been saved. Here the employee number we will give B01. Okay, we are done with designation. He is senior doctor, so we will enter here senior doctor. Okay, and Control A. Mr. Abdullah is also saved now in our system. Now we will move towards our next medical staff, Dr. Okay, medical specialist. Okay, so Dr. Faki, he is medical staff. Just yes, we will enter here. Basic salary for Mr. Faki is 50,000. Then we will move to house rent allowance. I'm sorry. Basic salary for Mr. Faki was 50,000. Okay. Then house rent allowance was for Mr. Faki was 14,000. Conveyance allowance was 8,000. Traveling allowance was also 8,000. We are done with the details of Dr. Faki. Then again employee